Welcome to the Animal Crochet Academy. In this video, we'll be learning how to change yarn colors. So let's assume that your pattern requires you to change colors in the next round. This means that we need to introduce our new color yarn before the first stitch of the next round. Don't worry if this sounds a little confusing, it's much easier than it sounds. The last stitch of the original color should not be fully completed. You need to stop when you see 2 loops on the hook, and then drop the working yarn. Grab the new color yarn and hold it the way you will hold the original working yarn, like this. Now work with the new color yarn. Yarn over and pull it through both loops. Keep working with the new yarn. Make a couple of stitches, then put your piece on the table and make a double knot. And tie the short end of the new color with the original working yarn. And now you can cut the original yarn. The new color is your new working yarn, so you can proceed with the pattern. By the end of this, you'll have a neat, clean color change.